Well, another plate in the series, Cries of London, manufactured by Adams. During very first part of the 20th century, these go from 1896 through to around 1915. The exact date range is on our website listing. This is Milk Below Maids from the series. This plate is in antique condition. It has got some condition issues that we're going to run you over and show in this video, but just to draw your attention to the fact the transfer print and the hand colouring is always on the Adams series a little washed out compared to the crispness of the brown transfer borders. And they made these in two versions. One had coloured bands around the borders. This is the rarer uncoloured brown and white on a cream background transfer wear. Now, just to draw your attention to the glaze condition on this, overall absolutely fine from a use perspective. If I get a reflection on here, you'll see no knife marks on it at all. I think it's just been displayed and never used as an actual dinner plate. But if I come really close in, you can see this fine glaze cracking or crazing, as we call it, almost universal over the front and rear portions of this particular dinner plate. More apparent on the back there if I just get the side light reflection in there. You see that? No staining in it, just the brown or creamy glaze. Adams used the glaze which has a sort of brown glue-like tint to it, particularly in the creases where it's thicker than usual. But it characteristically on a lot of Adams ware over the course of, well, over 100 years now, this plate's probably been in existence, you get this thermal difference between the underlying china and the glass surface, and it just can't expand and contract due to the temperature changes that this plate's experienced during its life. So you get these fine little cracks on it. Doesn't cause any issues as far as using it's concerned. These glazes are perfectly safe. They don't contain significant levels of any toxins or poisons at all that are going to leach out onto your food. That's not an issue with most glazed china, even when they were using lead-based glazes, unless you're cooking in the actual china or using extremely acidic sauces for long periods of time. But if you're just eating off them, they're absolutely fine. I wouldn't put this particular plate through a dishwasher, but I just wouldn't with anything antique that I was wanting to take care of and conserve. It's got a nice bright glaze shine on it, this one, and if you do start damaging that with even the modern dishwasher tablets will gradually give you a dulled finish to that and take the shine off it. So I would hand wash this, but it's perfectly okay to use. Lovely to display, obviously, and as they made these in a series with the blockworks extending to I think 12 or 16 different blocks, then it's a great one for a dresser display if you're wanting something a little unusual and a nice old worldy English country house feel to it, with the Cries of London scenes, with the individual nature of these, with the hand colouring that's supplied by the decorators. So a nice piece with conditions, as we say. Unusual to find it on a 10.25 inch diameter dinner plate, which this one is. So if you are collecting Cries of London by Adams, then if you follow the link below, it will take you through to our website listing. Do have a search when you hit the website on Cries of London, and it should pull all the various Adams pieces that we've got in this series available for sale. Thanks for watching.